friends, in previous lecture you have to discuss about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for boron molecule. Today's lecture we will discuss about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for carbon molecule. Carbon molecule is formed by combination of two carbon atom. The one carbon atom having the electronic configuration, carbon atom it having the electron configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Okay, the 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part for formation of molecular orbital. It remains as non-bonding electron. Okay, only the 2s orbital and 2p orbital and its electron are take part for formation of molecular orbital. That means total 2s orbital and 6 2p orbital are involved for formation of carbon molecule. That means total 8 orbital are involved. 8 atomic orbital result the formation of 8 molecular orbital. This is molecular orbital and there are total 8 atomic orbital are involved for formation of carbon molecule. Okay, from this electron configuration it indicates that the 2s orbital and 2p orbital it having the close energy, therefore they can be interact with each other. That means s and p orbital are interact with each other, therefore it is shown by the dotted line because it having the sp interaction. The 2s orbital it having total 2 electron, there are presence of the 2 s orbital, 2s orbital, that means total 4 electron. Okay, then 2p orbital, in p orbital there is presence of the 2 electron because there is presence of 2 carbon atom, 2p orbital. Then electron filling takes place according to the above principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. That means firstly electron goes to the lower energy sigma 2s orbital, that means bonding molecular orbital it having the less energy, therefore firstly electron goes to the bonding molecular orbital. If this orbital is fulfilled, then electron goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. The electron filling takes place according to the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity and above principle. Okay, in 2s orbital there is presence of total 4 electron. Firstly 2 electron are goes to the sigma bonding molecular orbital because it having the less energy. If it is fulfilled, then electron goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, then 2p orbital, there is total 4 electron are present in 2p orbital. Okay, this 4 electron, first electron goes to the pi 2py, pi 2pz, another 2 are goes to the pi 2py and pi 2pz orbital. Okay, this is molecular orbital energy level diagram for carbon molecule. Now from this diagram the electron configuration of carbon molecule is written as the firstly the 1s orbital it becomes the non-bonding electron, therefore for this orbital k letter is used and k letter is repeated because there are presence of the 2 carbon atom, that means 2 1s orbital are present, therefore letter k is repeated, kk. Then sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then pi 2py it having the 2 electron and pi 2pz it also having the 2 electron. This is electron configuration of carbon molecule. Now we have to calculate the stabilization energy and bond order of carbon molecule. Next point is the calculation of stabilization energy. We know very well about the formula for stabilization energy. Stabilization energy, number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital. There are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 electron are present in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta, plus how many electron are present in antibonding? Only 2 electron are present in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. Okay, that means stabilization energy of carbon molecule is minus 4 beta. Then next one is bond order. Bond order. The formula for bond order is 1 by 2 number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital. How many electron are present? 6 minus number of electron present in antibonding molecular orbital, that means 2. Okay, therefore the bond order of carbon molecule is 2. Okay, this is bond order for carbon molecule. Stabilization energy is minus 4 beta and bond order is 2. The bond length of carbon molecule is 1.31 angstrom unit. This is bond length for carbon molecule. In a molecular orbital diagram, we see that the all electrons are paired. Therefore, the carbon molecule is diamagnetic in nature. This is diamagnetic molecule. The carbon molecule is diamagnetic in nature and it having the bond length 1.31 angstrom unit. The bond energy for this molecule is nearly about 1.50 kilocalories per mole. This is molecular orbital energy level diagram for carbon molecule. Thank you.